It's so crooked.
Want me to turn it for you?
No, we're live now.
Okay.
So, all right. Hey, Scurry County, this is Dan Hicks, County Judge. I've got Sheriff Trey Wilson, Fire Chief Perry Westmoreland, who's also the Emergency Management Coordinator, and Dana Hartman, the Director for the Health Department. Going to give you an update. So today, we have a total of 7 cases in Scurry County. That's 7 total, including the first 2 that we had earlier. So we have 5 new cases today. The first 2 are inactive. We now have 5 active cases. The only information I can give you about them is that one's a female 55 to 65. We have 2 females 35 to 45. We have a male that's 55 to 65, and we have another female that's 15 to 25. As the only information I can give you concerning the patients at this time. All right, so I'm going to read you a press release that we're going to put out, and it's going to be from the 4 of us. All right. In an effort to keep the public informed to the greatest extent possible while protecting the privacy rights of individuals, this press release confirms that an employee of Scurry County who is stationed inside the Scurry County Law Enforcement Center has tested positive for COVID-19. Due to the confined space in closed quarters necessarily associated with the jail setting, Scurry County will be conducting large-scale testing of both employees and inmates over the next 48 to 96 hours. Those tests will be administered by both Cogdell Hospital as well as state testing team and will begin as soon as possible, consistent with all necessary precautions and availability of testing staff and teams. We expect the initial wave of tests to be in the range of 140 individuals, approximately, with further tests to follow if warranted. Obviously, due to health privacy laws, details regarding those who are being tested cannot be divulged. Should positive tests result from this investigation, the public will be informed to the greatest extent possible, consistent with and according to the directives of the local health authority. Please note that the resources of the Sheriff's Department, my office, the Judge's office, the Health Department, as well as our emergency management team are being stretched extremely thin with the amount of testing, tracing, and investigating occurring at this time. Therefore, these offices will be unavailable to field additional individual questions for the next few days. We will endeavor to keep the public informed and safe as more information becomes available and as test results are received. In addition to this case, we have received, well, I've already told you, we've already had the 3 new cases, so a total of 5. COVID-19 is in our community. For those of you who are concerned about contracting the virus, please be mindful of social distancing and limiting contact with others to essential contact only. We ask for your patience and understanding during this testing period. All right, so with that, as much as ever, we need to be as vigilant to slow this spread as much as possible. I'm not going to be instituting a new stay-at-home order. Governor Abbott's order will supersede anything that we would do here at this time or any time in the future. We are at 50% capacity for our businesses. We are going to maintain that for now. As far as I know, DSHS would be the ones that would come in. That's the Department of State Health and Human Services would tell us if we needed to go back. At this point, that's not going to happen. Don't know what's going to happen in the future. I don't know if they will tell us anything different in the future, but right now, with us having 5 new cases, that doesn't put us there as far as I know. Remember, you need to wash your hands, social distance, and wear a mask if you go inside somewhere. Please respect the senior times and days at the stores that provide them. We will continue to keep you informed, and that's going to be the end of the briefing for today. So please be mindful that we need to be vigilant. This could be interesting. So just watch where you go, watch what you do, watch who you're around, social distance, wash your hands and all. So with that, thank you. Have a good afternoon. We'll give you more information as we get it.